Keep in mind that you need to be on desktop computer or choose the desktop version of Amazon on your phone browser and not to do it in the Amazon application on your phone. So on your Amazon homepage, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click on account and list. And then right here on your account, under your orders, you want to click on your addresses right here. And then right here, you can just choose any specific address that you want to remove. For example, I want to choose to remove this flower mount address and then click on remove right here. And then on the confirm removal, you can just click on yes. And later, if you face the issue of address removal failed like this one, when I click on remove, there was a notification that said removal failed. You can just click on right here on the set a different residential address for your digital purchases. You can just click on it and then it will take you to this page. And then if you cannot connect on this page, right here, if you fail to remove the address, you can just hover your mouse or your cursor on the account and list. No need to click on it. And then you can go to content and devices between Kindle Unlimited and subscribe and save items. You can just click on it. And right here at the manage your content and devices, you can just choose on preferences. And then right here on the country and region settings, you can just click on it and click on change. And it will take you to the same page as before. And then right here, you can just add a brand new addresses. And then after you fill out all of the mandatory option, you can just click on update right here. And then after you success to do it, you can just go back to your addresses by clicking on account and list again. And then click on your addresses like here. And then right here on the address that you failed remove before, you can just click on remove right now. And now you can confirm the remove. And just click on yes. And that's it. And that's how to remove or delete shipping address from Amazon account and fix the issue of address removal failed. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.